Welcome. If you're new here, my name is Ilana. And if you're a returning supporter, thank you so much and welcome back. This is episode 2 of I Bought It So You Ain't Gotta Buy It.
Am I really that much handle? Breaking these figures down like a camel. You don't really to blow you up.
Today we are doing a review and unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So as you see, it's still, covered up with plastic. I've had it for 3 weeks. I was very influenced by TikTok, so blame those creators over there. However, I was waiting to open it so I could unbox it with you all. So we're going to get into this unboxing. All right. And the only reason why I went ahead and grabbed it, on top of the fact that I was influenced, is because Costco had it on sale, significantly cheaper. I think Best Buy had it for $7.99, Walmart, Target, and Amazon. But Costco, baby, they had the deal. It was only $4.99 at Costco, so your girl had to run and grab it. Got the box open. Oh, this is the creator combo kit as well, if you're wondering. I think it's less expensive if you do not get the full creator kit, but with the creator kit at $4.99, you can't beat it. So just opening the box. This is the battery handle. The DJI. We have the mini tripod stand. And this is the SD card too, because the content creator combo comes with the SD card. Get this plastic off of here. I'm ready for the sun to come out. It is raining, you guys. It was raining. It started raining yesterday. We had a bad storm. It was, I ain't gonna say it was pretty this morning, but it was calm. But now it is cutting up. We got thunder, lightning, flash flood warnings. As long as we don't have tornadoes, y'all know I'm good. I don't think I'll ever get used to having tornadoes. My boo and the kids sleep right through it, which is weird, and I'm the only one who's losing sleep because I'm up watching the weather alerts, listening for tornado sirens, the whole nine. And this is the battery too, so let me get this whole thing out. It's so cute and small. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do some things with this for sure, for sure. Y'all see how small this is? I mean, I don't have big hands and I'm missing a nail, but this is tiny. It literally can fit in my whole entire hand. Yeah, we gonna be outside with this thing, baby. And okay, it's the battery. Where's the little small battery box thing? Damn. Here it is. I ain't read no instructions, child. I'm just thinking about how I think it should go. All right, rotate screen. I believe it's the battery box. If I'm just thinking about what everybody else was doing on theirs, on the videos I've seen. All right. Let's power this bad boy on. And it is coming on. You see how just is actually trying to track my face, but it's on. Let me take the little sticker off. This is how it lights up. And let me go to English. Okay, I'm selecting the language on here. There we go. There we go. All right. So now it's asking me to download this QR code here to download the app. So I'll do that shortly. I'm going to swipe it and skip it for now. All right. And this is the view. So this is for vertical videos. Of course, if you want to do horizontal, just turn it this way. But it is very cute. So I'm going to get into playing with these settings, and I'll also get this app downloaded, and I'll put a few example shots in here. Oh, baby, I'm not going to be able to do none. I forgot to put the SD card in. But yeah, let me figure all this out, y'all. And I will be back with a full review. This was just the unboxing. So tune back in. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my actual full review. I'll probably do the review. Let me give it like 2 weeks to give a full review, because I'm gonna have to test out the whole thing. I don't want to just give y'all a first impression. Essentially, I want to give y'all a true review. So I'll be back with it. We'll be back with part 2. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment. And let me know, have you been interested in getting the DJI? Have you been influenced like me? Would you buy it for $4.99? Are you saving your coins for the Black Friday sale in November? What are you doing? Let me know.